Hello everyone, Wale Akiemi is my name and I'm here to ignite the fire within you. I believe that every person has the potential to be great in life, and I am passionate about guiding individuals on their journey to success. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share and to subscribe for more powerful success strategies. Our topic today is overcoming financial setbacks. Financial setbacks can happen to anyone. Even the most successful people have faced financial struggles, but what sets them apart is their ability to bounce back, stay strong, and keep moving forward. In this video, we are going to learn on how to bounce back from financial failure and rebuild wealth. We're also going to learn how to deal with doubt and discouragement when facing financial struggles. And also we are going to learn how to develop resilience to keep moving forward toward financial success. By the end of this video, you will have the mindset and strategies to turn setbacks into comebacks and create lasting wealth. How to bounce back from financial failure. Failure is not the end, it is a lesson. Some of the wealthiest people in the world lost everything before achieving financial success. The key is to learn from failure and take action to recover. What are the steps to recover from financial setback? Number one, accept reality and stay calm. The first step to bouncing back is accepting what has happened without panic. Many people react emotionally and make rash financial decisions that make things worse. Instead, pause, assess the situation, and create a comeback plan. Number two, analyze what went wrong. Identify the root cause of the setback. Was it poor money management, a failed business decision, or unexpected expenses or debt? Learn from mistakes and avoid repeating them. Number three, develop a recovery plan. Outline specific steps to regain financial stability. This could include cutting unnecessary expenses, finding new sources of income, paying off debt strategically. Number four, take immediate action. Don't dwell on the past. Start rebuilding today. Small actions lead to big results over time. For example, if you have lost your job, start networking, upskilling, and applying for new opportunities. Number five, stay positive and keep going. Many people give up too soon after a financial setback. Success takes time, but persistence pays off. What's the action step for today? Write down one lesson you have learned from a past financial setback and how you will use it to make better financial decisions. How to deal with doubt and discouragement. When facing financial struggles, doubt and discouragement can be overwhelming. It's easy to feel like giving up, but these emotions can be overcome with the right mindset. How to overcome doubt and stay motivated. Number one, shift your perspective on failure. See failure as a stepping stone to success, not the end of the road. Every financial success story includes failures and setbacks. Number two, control negative thoughts. Doubt comes from fear-based thinking. Replace thoughts like I'll never recover with I am learning and growing stronger. Number three, surround yourself with encouragement. Spend time with positive and successful people who uplift and motivate you. Avoid people who discourage or doubt your financial recovery. Number four, keep your faith strong. Whether through prayer, meditation, or affirmations, faith helps overcome fear. Trust that financial restoration is possible. Number five, take small steps daily. Action defeats discouragement. Even if you are not where you want to be financially, small progress leads to big breakthroughs. Let's look at the action step. Write down one positive declaration about your financial recovery. and say it aloud every morning. Developing resilience in wealth creation. Resilience is the ability to keep going despite obstacles. Wealthy people are not those who never fail, but those who never give up. How to develop financial resilience? Number one, build a strong financial foundation. Always have savings, investment, and multiple income streams to create financial security. Number two, learn from successful people. Study how successful entrepreneurs and investors overcome financial difficulties. Read books, watch interviews, and apply their lessons. Number three, stay adaptable. The economic changes, industry shifts, and jobs evolve. Be willing to adapt, learn new skills, and explore new financial opportunities. Number four, develop a long-term wealth mindset. Short-term failures do not define your financial future. Keep your vision focused on long-term success. Number five, never stop taking action. The most resilient people keep moving forward no matter what. Action creates momentum, and momentum leads to breakthroughs. What's the action step today? Identify one financial goal you are working towards and commit to taking one step towards it today. Your setback is a setup for a comeback. To overcome financial setbacks, do this. Number one, learn from financial failure and use it as a stepping stone to success. Number two, overcome doubt and discouragement by controlling negative thoughts and surrounding yourself with positivity. Number three, develop financial resilience by staying adaptable, focused, and persistent. The final action step today. Choose one action to move forward financially today. Stay committed, positive, and determined to succeed. Believe that your financial breakthrough is coming. Remember, your setback is not permanent. Your comeback is happening now. Join me on this incredible journey of growth, inspiration, and transformation. Together, we will create a fortune filled with purpose, impact, and success. Today, I will be introducing you to Red Planet Mathematics class, where knowledge meets wealth and dreams becomes reality. If you are ready to break free from limitations, to unlock your full potential, and to create a life of abundance, then welcome to Red Planet Mathematics class. Mathematics Success Class is not just another program, it's a game changer, a life rescue package designed to correct the wrongs of society and liberate you from poverty, ignorance, and stagnation. This is your golden ticket to mastering success, wealth creation, and spiritual alignment through a proven structural system that blends ancient wisdom, modern strategies, and divine principles. Why should you join another Planet Mathematics class? Because success is not a mystery, it's not luck, but a formula. At Mathematics, we have decoded this formula into three powerful, life-transforming courses. Number one, Success Mathematics, where you master the proven success principles that the world's top achievers use to build wealth, influence, and lasting impact. Number two, Monematics, where you discover the science and art of wealth creation, learning the financial secrets of legendary millionaires and billionaires. Number three, Spiritmatics, where we unleash the divine power within you to manifest supernatural breakthroughs, abundance, and purpose-driven success. Every stage in mathematics earns you a certification, but even more importantly, it earns you wealth, wisdom, and influence. No more struggling with self-doubt, fear of financial lack. No more wishing for success. It's time to create it. No more being stuck in life. It's time to rise and thrive. When you join us today, you are not just learning, you are earning. Our unique system allows you to grow in ranks, earn massive income, and achieve financial freedom while gaining life-changing knowledge. Your breakthrough is waiting. Click the link below to sign up for our free 30-day mathematics success accelerator. Your success is in your hand. Take action. Create the life you deserve now.